Hello students, I hope what I have explained in my previous video you would have definitely watched it and you have understood it. Now going ahead with these chapters, today we will start our videos with my practice time 3. In this my practice time 3, I will explain you how to do division when the divisor is either 10 or 100 or 1000. Here in question number 1, it is given find the quotient and the remainder of the following. 720 divided by 10. Here 10 is divisor and 720 is dividend. 720 is dividend and 10 is divisor. So what we see here, in 10 how many zero is there? Only one zero is there. So when a number is divided by 10, please listen carefully. When a number is divided by 10, then the digit at one place of the dividend is the remainder. So here what is the digit at one place of the dividend? It is 0. So 0 will become our remainder, and the rest of the dividend, it will become the quotient. So no need to go for any long division. When you get divide of like this, what you have to do whenever any number is divided by 10, then what you have to do, first you see the digit at one place. From the right you start counting 1, 10, 100. First which is the digit at one place? It is 0. So 0 will become the remainder, and the rest, how many numbers are left out? 72, and 72 will become the quotient. So here Q stand for quotient. Quotient means whatever answer we get after division, it is called quotient. Now suppose if any number is divided by 100, then what we have to do? We have to see what two numbers are there, and we will start counting from the right side. So what are the two numbers? You need 10. So it is 42. You need 10. So this 42 will become remainder, and after writing remainder, what is left out? 23. So 23 will become the quotient. Why will take into account only 1 and 10? Because in 100 two zeros were there, and in case of 10 only one zero was there. So we will take into account of one digit, the digit at one place. So which digit at one place? It is 0. So 0 will be the remainder. Just you suppose, if in place of 720, if I wrote 724, in that case 4 will become remainder and 72 will become the quotient. I hope it is clear. Now I will take another example. 2260 divided by 1000. So in 1000 how many zeros are there? 3 zeros are there. So I will start counting the dividend from the right. 1, 10, 100. So 1, 10, 100. So these three digits together make 260. So 260 will become remainder, and after writing 260, what is left out? 2 is left out, and this 2 will become the quotient. 2 will become the quotient. In 1000 3 0 is there, so we will take into account 260 because this 260 is made up of three digits. So this 260 will become the remainder and 2 will become the quotient. 2 will become the quotient. Suppose if we have to divide 2260 by 100, then in this situation we have to take into account only 60 because 1 10. So 60 will be remainder and 22 will be the quotient. Now next question, 1296 divided by 100. So start counting from the right of dividend. You need 10. Up to 10 we have to go because in 100 only 2 zeros are there. So only 2 0 means 2 digit is there, 110. So here also 110. So 96 will become remainder, and after writing 96, 12 will left out and 12, this 12 will be the quotient. So I have tried to solve some questions from my practice 3 and the rest question I leave to you. Please, during this lockdown period you practice this maths, then this practice of maths it will make you perfect in arithmetic. Now another topic is estimating quotient. In my previous videos also I have taught you how to estimate any given number to the nearest 10 or 100 or 1000. Here estimating by rounding of the number to the nearest 10. So 18, you look 18, 110. So this 18 is lying between 10 and 20. So in the middle what will come? 15 will become. So after 15 I put a mark here. After 15, 16, 17, 18. 15 is in the middle, 16, 17, 18. So it will go this side. So we can say 18 is nearest to 20 when we will round off to the nearest 10. Okay. Now here 25. 25 is between 20 and 30. 20 and 30. In the middle 25 will come, but where to go in this situation? Where to go? We always should go to 30. We should not go to 20, though this 25 is in the middle. So 25 is nearest to 30. Is it clear? It will become 30. When we will round off 25 to the nearest 10, the answer will be 30. Another 43. Unit 10. 43 is between 40 and 15. Unit 10, unit 10. In the middle 45. So 45, this 43 is smaller than 45. So it will be written this side. So it will be nearest 40 when we will round up to the nearest 10. So on this basis, now we will do some questions. We will solve some questions. Finding the quotient by first rounding of the number to the nearest 10. 115. 115. Unit 10. In 115, what is the digit in the 10th place? It is 1 and 5. So 15 is the digit in the 10th place. So this 15, it will be between what? 10 and 20. That's why I wrote here 110 and 120. 110. For this 15 I wrote, because this 15 is between 10 and 20. So I wrote 110, 120. In the middle it will be 115. Again it will go to this side because it is 115. Always we prefer to move this side. So when we round up to the nearest 10, it will be 120. this 20 and 30. Again 27 it will be on this side, it will be nearest to 30. So 120 divided by 30, it will be equal to 4. Thus the estimated quotient is 4. Now next question, 227 divided by 8. 227, you need 10. 27 is there, so 27 is between 20 and 30. So we will write 220, 230. In the middle 225 will come. 225. So 227 will be written this side, it will be 230. 0 and 10. So it will be this side. So 8 will be nearest to 10. So now we divide 230 by 10, it will be 23. So therefore estimated quotient is 23. What is this? This is the symbol of therefore. Therefore, instead of writing therefore, we can put this side. 1275 divided by 35. So here 75, 110. Which two digit? 75. So 75 is between 70 and 80. So we write 127.5 is nearest to 80 and 30 and 40. It is nearest to 40. So 1280, 1275, it will become 1280 when we will round off it to the nearest 10, and 35 will become 40 when we will round off to the 40. And now we will divide. The estimated quotient is 32. The next is 15 boxes contains 223 balls. Estimate the number of balls in each box by first rounding of the number to the nearest 10. So 10 and 20. So this 15 we have to first round up to the nearest 10. So 15 is near to 20, it will become 20. 220, 220, 223. So it is between 220 and 230. So it is near to 220. So when we will round up 223 to the nearest 10, it will become 220. Now we will divide 220 by 20. It will become 11. Now what is our answer? Therefore estimated number of balls in each box is equal to 11. I hope you must have understood, and there are some questions. Please you practice to learn more and make yourself perfect in maths. Thank you.